this. A lot of this. Shower doors. They can get really nasty. And I don't want to breathe in other nasty things. I'm trying to get them clean. So today we clean with lemon, right? Lemon juice. Natural strength. Natural strength. From concentrate with added ingredients. And now in this direction in case I hate the background. Oh, but I hate the lighting. Oh, what are we gonna do? From concentrate with added ingredients. Contains sulfites. That stuff gives me a stomach ache. And sodium benzoate? Oh my. For best results, don't ingest. No, it doesn't say that. It said for best results, but there was nothing after that. Did you know my bathroom has windows? Yeah, one time there was someone on my neighbor's roof. I was in the shower, how people are in the shower, you know, just showering their bodies, all of it. And there was a guy just like standing right there. So I ran out, I grabbed a towel, I snuck back into the bathroom, and he was getting closer. So he went from like over here to like over here, and he was, the neighbor, she's like, no he didn't, he wasn't looking. I'm like, oh, that's cool. Since when did you guys share eyes? Never done this. I'll pour some of that on there, and then maybe slurp up all of this extra with the sponge. Yeah, we're gonna do that. And then maybe put a little more on the sponge itself. I'll show how to do that here. So it's just this until you're done. It's just this. A lot of this. And hopefully don't repeat. Pick the worst shower head you can find, like this, and rinse it out. Rinsed this door. Got rid of a lot of it, but not all of it. It's not perfect. These doors are, I think, like 15 years old. Yeah. It did just about as good as, actually it probably did better than a lot of other things that are way more toxic. So, good enough.